Hey, just got back from a coffee shop. If you saw my Facebook Live video a little earlier, you know that today I just made money on this project. Now, as you've been following along, you know it wasn't the initial goal. I'm here to show you how to build a business that you can run or manage in less than an hour. That's what I do. But but this one just turned into a business, like just that simple. So today I'm releasing day 10. I was sitting there editing day 10 video, and got a call, and somebody wants to hire me by the hour to teach them how to make more money in less time, in a much shorter time than it takes to watch all these videos, which I totally get that. That makes sense. They just want to shortcut the process. So my bill rate's 400 bucks an hour. That's what it is in my other businesses. So I just transferred that over to this one, and there we are, off to the races. At least two billable hours, could be 4 to 6. So I've at least made $800, and I'm on day 9, release day 9, starting day 10 today. And that's just from telling people what I'm doing. So can't encourage you enough. Take the steps, do the work. I promise. I've just learned this over years of trial and error, and it works. You can build a business, an income stream, and do whatever you want to do with a lot less time involved by just getting out there, figuring out what your skills and abilities are, finding out who your market is, discovering their needs, and really going and getting it. So I'm going to go back and finish editing, but I just thought that was worth mentioning and documenting today in this vlog, that day, release of day 9, start of day 10, we are now making money. I've not done the work yet, so the money's not in the bank yet. So I'll throw in some extra sessions and start walking you through how to set up books, how to set up an invoice, how to set up a little contract, that kind of stuff, so you can know what to do when you get your first client or start selling your first product. Anyway, get back to it. Thanks. So excited. Bye.